During the coronavirus crisis, our hard-working team has been busy providing essential journeys for key workers. We're now getting ready to put more buses on the road and provide more journeys as demand for travel across the region increases. In order to do that safely, there's a series of measures we put in place on board our vehicles, including enhanced cleaning regimes, and there's a number of things that we're asking for our customers to help too.
Due to the coronavirus crisis, drastic changes have had to be made to the way we work. Getting you around the region safely is at the heart of everything we do. We are here and we are still working for you.
Go North East have now introduced a number of safety measures on board their vehicles to protect not only the drivers but also the travelling public.
Don't travel if you are unwell.
Wash and sanitise your hands before and after travelling on the bus.
If the bus full sign is showing, please be prepared to wait for the next bus.
Wear a face covering.
Plan your journeys for quieter times and if you can, travel off-peak times.
Board the vehicle one at a time.
And let others off first. Use contactless or our app. If using cash, have the exact fare.
Please keep windows open to help with ventilation.
Sit upstairs if you can to help spread everyone out.
Keep a safe distance, sit beside the window and use alternative rows.
When you are leaving the bus, stand behind the 2 metre line until the bus has stopped.
Wait less time at bus stops. Follow the bus live on the app on your phone.
Thank you for helping us to help you provide safe, reliable and clean transport across our region.